Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, good morning, wherever you are. And today we're going to be looking at Replit. Yeah, this is a new launch by Replit to make mobile apps. And yeah, I think we can clearly say now that 2026 is like the mobile app is going to be pretty trending. It was just a little bit too hard in 2025 for the vibe coders, for people new to all this stuff. So one thing that I really liked about this, and this is quite exciting, is idea to App Store in 1 minute. Okay, so they have added in App Store, so send directly to the App Store. Right, so let's actually get into this and get going. So what I did really was went through the App Store. For me, I'm new to this mobile apps and all this stuff, so I don't want to find something too complicated. I also don't want to go through too much marketing. I want to do something called ASO, which is like search engine for the Apple Store. So yeah, I found this idea, which there's only one of them, and that's kind of one of my strategies, is to find something that people are searching for, that there's not too much competition. So I have heard through real life examples that this is something good, and people, women especially, are interested in this idea of seed cycling. So what I did was just go through Claude, just to kind of keep going through and just asking, is this a good idea? What can we do? What type of different parts of the MVP? So we just kind of talked through it, and eventually I have this. So I'm just going to use this as my prompt to Replit. Yes, I'm just going to copy that in. Now we go to Replit, right? And I'm on the free account now, so it would be interesting. I'm willing to upgrade to paid, but you can see here now we have the mobile app. So we have plan mode. Okay, we do need to upgrade to actually use to build out a mobile app. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so that did take about 10-15 minutes maybe, but most of the time it's actually generating these images. So quite impressed with the fact that it actually generates some images. Would be nice to kind of get rid of some, like maybe that isn't really that relevant, but I like the way they have a style. That's really, really cool. And then it builds out all the screens, and you can see the app here. So before I go into that, I actually didn't pay for it. I just kind of like there's like a prompt to say go pay for the core to build a mobile app, but I just clicked back and did it anyway, and it worked. If you're watching this like when it's launching this video, yeah, you can actually join this revenue cat hackathon. So I'm going to be doing this anyway. It's pretty cool hackathon because yeah, they have like creators here, and then you basically have to make them an app, and then you can win or whatever. But down here, something quite interesting, you have credits, so you can get 1 month free for Replit here. So if you want to try it out, if you have never tried it out before, there's actually a ton of good stuff here. To be honest, I would use like nearly all of this. Like Rourke is a mobile app maker, Code is a mobile app maker, and Manus is an amazing tool, another mobile and web app maker. Expo is what we're going to need to actually make our app mobbing good for designs. And this one I don't know, that's for payments and tax compliance and all that stuff. But anyway, back to our app. So we have our app, which is pretty cool, and we can also actually see how our app looks on our phone. So to get this, we need to actually do this, we need to download an app on your iPhone or on your Android phone and scan this QR code. Okay, so I just scanned it there, you can see, and it's going to actually build out the app for me, and I'll be able to test it out on my phone. But before we actually see that, let's just look at the app here. So we can see now, this is obviously for women and not for me, but you can see, yeah, you can fill in the information here. So let's just test it out here. So we've got a daily reminder, and that looks pretty nice. And yeah, because consistency is key, right? Let's just skip that for now. Okay, and we have like today's seeds, what people need, and also, yeah, this is really, really good. It's like how they feel. So if I'm feeling a little bit anxious, okay, let's say I want to do that. So it's all done. I mean, that looks pretty good. I will just need to add payment and stuff, but for the moment, I'm going to leave this for free. Just do things step by step, one thing at a time. So to publish now, let's publish it now. And yeah, I mean, if you want to upgrade the core, we can get rid of the main Replit badge. That's fine. I don't really mind that so far. And you can see his publishing, and I already have it on my Expo Go on my phone. So that is really good. And I guess the next step will be just publishing it on the Apple Store. To publish on the Apple Store, you'll need to get an Apple developer account. So that you get here. I'll leave links to all these, of course, down below. But I think this costs $99 per year. So you do need to invest a little bit of money into this. And basically, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to make a few apps using Replit and other tools like Vibe Code and anything. Give them all a try, see which one is the best, and make videos for you on this channel. So subscribe to this channel. And the thing about these apps is, it's great to have an app on the App Store, but we also want to get some AI UGC. We want to try that out. Human UGC is better. Let's just face it. Human UGC is better. But we want to test out the limits of AI. That's what we're all about here. So watch this video about AI UGC and enjoy. Thanks for watching.